Let us start with this. Okay. Let's see. Keshav Limited has 5 departments. A, B, C, D are production department. S is a service department. So there are 4 production departments and only 1 service department. Okay. Expenses incurred during the month of March 2017. ठीक है, तो ये देखो, ये सब आपका इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट है. रेंट, रिपेयर्स टू प्लांट, डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन प्लांट, सुपरविजन, इंश्योरेंस ऑन स्टॉक, रिक्रिएशन, लाइटिंग. Okay, so what is this? All this is your indirect cost. तो ये तो हमको लेना ही पड़ेगा ना, because we are doing over its chapter. Okay, तो ये सब आएगा. Okay, then you have to see ये जो information दिया है नीचे वाला, इसमें से कौन सा रेशियो यू कैन यूज टू डिवाइड विच द अदर इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट. ठीक है, सो सी द रेशियो इज गिवन. फर्स्ट रेशियो इज एरिया बोला है, सो दिस इज फ्लोर एरिया. ओके, तो तुम्हारा जो रेंट है वो इस रेशियो में जाएगा, फ्लोर एरिया रेशियो. ठीक है, फाइन. और क्या करने का, व्हेन यू आर रिमूविंग द रेशियो, जस्ट ड्रॉप डाउन द जीरोस. जीरोस को काट दो. ये देखो, ये 2 जीरो कट गए. आपका रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा, 14:12:11:9:4. Okay, so this is your area occupancy ratio. If you want, you can reduce it further, but it's of no use. You are using calci, so calci will take care of the calculations. ठीक है, ऐसा. This is how you remove the ratio. Then second ratio is number of workers. 25:20:10:10:5. If you want, you can reduce this ratio. If you want, you can keep it as it is. I generally have a habit of keeping it as it is because calculator is there for taking care of the calculations. Okay. Next, direct wages. Now listen, students, listen carefully. ये जो direct wages है production department का, this, okay, this will not come in overheads, but ये जो last वाला है 2000 service department का, ये आएगा. ठीक है, this will be a part of overheads. 10,000, 8,000, 5,000, 5,000 will not be a part of overheads because they are direct wages. But the direct wages of will become service department के लिए, it will become a indirect wages. ठीक है, so that will come in calculation. Value of plant, again drop down the zeros as I told you earlier. हाँ, ये देखो, zeros कम कर दो, फिर आपको आपका रेशियो मिल जाएगा. 20:18:16:10:6. Then stock, value of stock, reduce the zeros and you will get your ratio. 15:10:5:2. Number of light points ratio is already given in the question. Okay, so you should know कौन सा indirect cost will go on which basis. So like rent will go on floor area basis, repairs to plant will go on value of plant basis, depreciation on plant, value of plant, supervision, number of workers, insurance, value of stock, recreation, number of employees, and lighting, number of lightings. Okay, so I hope I am clear to everyone. Is this clear to everyone? Is the question clear? That is very important, understanding the question. Okay, so overheads chapter mein what you are going to do, you are going to first identify which is your overhead. So all your indirect cost is your overheads. ठीक है, कोई direct cost दिया है तो उसको ignore करना unless and until it is with respect to service department. Okay, now see the question, the sum. Okay, right, so this is the sum. So direct wages, one direct wages. So see, production department it is not there, but service department it will come. Then rent, which ratio? Floor area ratio. You should keep this ready. ये सब लिख के ready रखो. repairs, value of plant, depreciation, value of plant, supervision, number of workers, insurance, value of stock, recreation, number of workers, and lighting, number of light bulbs. So there are total 9 overheads. Yeah, Chirag, what is your doubt? Yeah, what's your doubt, Chirag? Now what you have to do is, okay, you got your doubt solved. Very good, great. Okay, so now see the shortcut method, huh, students? Yeah, you know this. Yeah, you will first write all the expenses that you have. You will write their basis of allocation, that is the ratio. Then the total column which is given in the question, and then this is what you are going to divide. ये सब divide करने से है, ठीक है? तो भी आपको divide कैसे करना है उसका shortcut है. Okay, so first wala to is done, it's given in the question. Area ka what was the ratio? I just told you, drop down the zeros. So it is 14 is to 12 is to 11 is to 9 is to 4. Okay, so see, I'm writing the ratio. 14 is to 11 is to 9 is to 10 is to 4. So this is my ratio. 14, 12, 11, 9, 4. 14, 12, 14, 11, 9, and 4. Okay, students. So this is my ratio for rent. ये रहा. So कैलसी पे आप क्या करोगे? ये जो शॉर्टकट टेक्निक मैंने आपको सिखाया था. ओके, जस्ट टोटल दिस. ये रेशियो को टोटल करो. 14 plus 12 plus 11 plus 9 plus 4. So the total is 50. Your denominator is 50. Okay. So what will you do? What is your numerator? Your rupees is 25,000. So 25,000 divided by 50 equal to, and there's the multiplication sign twice. So 25,000 divided by 50. Okay. फिर आपको क्या चाहिए पहला 14. तो type 14 press equal to. So you'll get this answer 7,000. Next type 12 press equal to. You'll get this answer 6,000. Type 11 press equal to. You will get this answer 5,500. Type 9 press equal to. You will get the answer 4,500. Type 4 press equal to. You will get the answer 2,000. Am I clear with the shortcut technique? This is how you are going to use a shortcut. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Next, 17,500. What is the basis? Value of plant. So what is value of plant ratio? Value of plant. Era. So 20 is to 18 is to 16 is to 10 is to 6. Okay. 20 is to 18 is to 16 is to 12 is to 6. Okay. Now total this and keep. 20 plus 18 is 38. 38 plus 16 plus 10 plus 6. So my base is 17. So what will I do? 17,500 divided by 70. Okay. Press the equal to sign, multiplication sign 2 times. 17,500 divided by 70. Now type first 20, press equal to 5,000. Type 18, press equal to 4,500. Type 16, press equal to 4,000. Type 10 plus equal to 2500, and last type 6 plus equal to 1500. Okay, so this is what you are going to do for every step. Same way you will do it for depreciation and plant. ये दोनों का base same है. Again same thing, 11,970 divided by 70. This will give you answers very quick, students. Equal to multiplication sign 2 times. ठीक है, पहला आंसर क्या चाहिए 20. टाइप करो. ठीक है, 3420. Then type 18 plus equal to 3078. Type 16 plus equal to 2736. Type 10 plus equal to 1710. And last type 6 and press equal to 1026. Okay. Am I clear with the steps? How to do the shortcut way? Very, very important from examination point of view. Next, supervision. Basis क्या है? Number of workers. Number of workers कहाँ गया ये रहा? So 25 is to 20 is to 10 is to 10 is to 5. So write down here. 25 is to 20 is to 10 is to 10 is to 5. So first इसको total करो. 25 plus 20 is 45. 45 plus 10, 55. 55 plus 10, 65. 65 plus 5, 70. Okay, so divide this. 39998 divided by 70 equal to multiplication sign 2 times. Well, type 25 press equal to 14285. Is the screen share visible, students? Yeah, it is. Okay. 25, next type 20 press equal to, thanks, 11428. Type 10 press equal to, type 5 press equal to 2857. Okay, it's correct. Okay, these are the way outs. We have already done all these things in a cost sheet. The shortcut way I taught you. Okay, we are just applying the same here as well. Then value of stock. Kitna hai value of stock? 15,000, 10,000. So my ratio is 15 is to 10 is to 5 is to 2. 15 is to 10 is to 5 is to 2. So total karo. 15 and this is 25. 25 and 5 is 30. This is 32. Okay. So 16,000 divided by 32 equal to, and multiplication sign 2 times. 16,000 divided by 32 into. First type 15 plus equal to 7,005. Type 10 and press equal to 5,000. Type 5 and equal to, answer is 2,500. Type 2 and press equal to, answer is 1,000. Okay, and there is no ratio for the last one, S. So नहीं है तो नहीं होगा. Okay. So All these things comes only with practice. Next, number of workers. Workers, the 25 is to 20 is to 10 is to 10 is to 5 is the ratio. And students exam में where you see the ratios are same ना, can simultaneously solve them also. वो भी चलता है. ठीक है? 25 is to 20 is to 10 is to 10. 25 is to 20 is to 10 is to 10 is to 5. You can total it obviously. Yeah, Kajal, such questions will be there in exams, so I'm teaching you a shortcut. Okay, yeah. 25 plus 20 is 45, 55, 65. Base is 70. 5992, ये रहा मेरा total. Divide by this 70 equal to sign multiplication sign 2 times. Yeah, Jyoti, it will. 5992 divide by 70. Okay, type 25 press equal to 2140. Type 20 press equal to 1712. Type 10 press equal to 856. Type 5 press equal to 428. Okay, this is how it's done. Okay, and last is number of light points. 14 is to 12 is to 11 is to 9 is to 4. So 14 is to 12 is to 11 is to 9 is to 4. So students, you can do one thing. Instead of writing your number of light points, you can directly even write the ratio. ये भी चल जाएगा, ठीक है? It will save your time. 14 plus 12 plus 11 plus 9 plus 4, 50. So my base is 50. So 18,000 divided by 50 equal to multiplication sign twice. Okay, so 18,000 divided by 50. Okay. Yeah. First type 14 press equal to 5040. Type 12 press equal to 4320. Type 11 press equal to 3960. Type 4 press equal to 1440. Type 9 press equal to 3240. Okay. And then you have to total it from year to year. Okay. Then you will get your grand total, this totals individual department wise. Okay. और जब आप ये सबको ऐड करोगे तो आपका ये आंसर मैच होना चाहिए. It has to match. If it doesn't match, obviously it means you're doing something wrong. Okay. So this was the highlight. When you add this, total of this should be equal to this two. This is called as binary distribution of O.